Hello everyone. My name is Ming from uh, MEE program, which is a master degree for engineer at Vietnamese German universities. And today I'm gonna demonstrate the liquid measurements using the network analyzer for my microwave lab sessions. This is my double ring sensor, which I designed based on the dispersion theory. And here's the uh, glucose concentration, which will be used for this lab. And today I'm going to use the 80 and 100. So as you can see here, it's my waveform after doing the calibration at the frequency. The range frequency is from 6.12 gigahertz to 6.25 gigahertz. And let's do the measurements. So first I will check the bottle, okay, and then I will add a little bit of liquid into the middle of the sensor. Okay, always be careful with water. Okay. Yeah. After we add a little bit of water here, liquid here, we have to make sure that it's spread out enough. Okay. Okay, that's enough. And here's the the waveform after we add some 80 glucose concentrations into the sensors. And you can see here, this is the the min shots. And this is 6 point. Okay, I will write it down. This is 80, right? 6.17915. Okay. Then after that, we will remove it to be ready for the next measurements with 100. Okay, gently remove the liquid out of the sensors. Okay, yeah, I think it has been removed almost. Yes, then do the next step with the 100. Also, we have to check. Okay, take a little bit of this liquid. Okay, and add it here. Just maybe 3 drops is enough. And then we have to spread it out. Okay, add a little bit more. Okay. Okay, I have to make sure. So let's see the difference between 80s and 100. Okay, minces here. Search minces. Oh, so we can see the difference between two measurements. That the at the 100, we have a little bit of frequency shift, maybe around 10 megahertz. Yes, this one is 6.798. Okay, so we can see that the frequency shift is moving to the right, and that is a good sign of this measurements. We don't want it to be fluctuate left right left right. We want to make it in one direction. Yes, and I think this is enough for this demonstrations, and thank you for